All right, everybody, time for the last for now X3 project. Should be an easy one, a simple one. I am going to put an AMR racing wrap on it. It's the same brand that I did on my Teryx. I love the way it looked on my Teryx. It's one of the thickest wraps I've ever had. You know, there's my Teryx. You see this wrap's about 3 years old now and it's still killing it. There were some little parts where, for me rubbing up against trees and stuff, mud got up under it and I had to trim it back. But I mean, the wrap has held up so well over the years, even with me spraying chemicals on it to clean it and whatnot. So I figured it'd be a great candidate for my X3. I'm not crazy about the gold color, so we'll put this kit on it to cover up as much of the gold as possible so that hopefully I can live with it. So we've already got the tree kickers done. Those look great. We got the rear bumper done. I am kind of wishing I went with the Can-Am red rear bumper, but I found this one for half price, brand new in the box. So, you know, $500 for a bumper versus $200 and change for a bumper, all over the color, and it's gonna get slammed into trees anyways because it's in the back. Yeah, I just went with the cheaper one. Yeah, it's time to cut into this, see what we're working with. Open her up, open her up. Oh, got a big old package coming out. There are so many pieces. I have no idea how I'm going to get this on there, but I had the same sentiments when I was doing the one on my Teryx. First things first, glass cleaner. This, if it still feels slick after that, I might hit it with some brake cleaner to get all the oils off the plastics, make sure it sticks good. Yeah, baby. Getting you nice and clean. Almost seems like a shame to cover up the Turbo RR stickers, but oh well. Alright, we got her all cleaned up. Now the instructions will tell you to use a spray bottle with soapy water so you can kind of shift it around and put it where it's supposed to be. Me personally, when I did my Teryx, I found it was easier to just put it in the right place and stick it on. Now, are all the pieces perfectly where they should be? No, but is it good enough for a machine that I'm going to take off-road and eventually put in a lot of mud? Yes, so that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to stick the sticker on where it goes and see what happens. First big sticker going on. Alright, y'all, that was painful. I gotta be honest with you, not really happy with the way it looks. Even from here you can probably freaking see the wrinkles in it. Oof, oof, oof. We're gonna have to peel that back and go back to plan B. Alright everybody, let's get the party started. There it is. There it is. Oh, the beginnings of something great. Ah, yeah. Let the games begin, everybody. So since I did, you know, a bang up terrible job on this door, I brought the professional out here and she did this. Look at her, she's over there doing the other side. See, you got lots of pieces right here. Tip and trick for it? Yeah, what's your tip and trick?
On the bigger panels, you fold back a little bit of it, so then you can pull it super tight while you pull it out from behind there, and then you push the air bubbles that way.
Look at her go. Killing it. Killing it. It's coming along though. certain pieces I've declared optional. Like, oh, I'm still torn on the mouthpiece. Not sure if I'm even going to put these on or if I want to leave it like that. I kind of like the black. Two pieces I definitely declared optional right here. Because I like having the Maverick XMR. There's supposed to be a piece that covers that. I'm going to leave that. Yeah, come along nicely. It's done. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at him. We even fixed this door a little bit. We're able to work out those. Just got a little bubbles, but they should work out with time and effort. For heat. Sunlight should help it fade. Yeah. This isn't the full wrap kit. This is just a trim wrap kit because I didn't want to have too much going on. I just want to cover up as much of the gold as possible. Yeah, he's probably gonna get shot on this side. Look at that guy. Look at him. He looks so happy to be wreaking havoc.
It looks really good with the tree kickers and the roof on it.
Oh, it's like some wheels.